Alright, welcome back guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you the type of belt your 2017 Hyundai Elantra use. But first, this is my little talented boy right here. You can see he's looking at the belt now. So talented Reid, show them what you're going to show them the type of belt they use. So alright, so first guys, I'm going to apply a little pressure by all the belt, and I'm going to pull it. So you can see it's turning. I'm going to take a time and pull till I get to the mark. It's a bit tight, but it will get there. Excuse the edge, Jerome. Okay, so take your time so you don't hurt yourself. When you're doing it, you're going to carefully turn it so you don't get your finger tangled underneath the pulley. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can make it out, but here's the belt.
Belt.
Yes, the belt.
And then that's it.
So that's the belt. I think I need to get it up a little more. This is raining now.
Huh?
It's raining.
Huh? Nothing.
Okay, so tight. Okay, so I get a little peep on it. So that's the belt. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the belt for your 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and this is baby talented Reid. Look in the camera.
Huh?
Yes, baby talented Reid. So he's showing you all what the belt look like. So that's the belt for your 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to get a little more turn on it. So hold and pull, and be careful so you don't get your hand tangled in the pulley. Yeah. So that is the belt right there. So a little mark right here. Let's see if I can reach to it. It's getting tight. There's a lot of compression. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it right there. Okay, so that's it right there. Okay guys, so there you go. So if you find this video useful, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. So you can see the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Yeah. So thanks guys. Catch you another time. Bye.